Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see edit history in Google Docs. Now, what you need to do is use this control menu. I'll show you two ways. Now, before we actually get into that, if you don't see this control menu, it's probably because you are in full screen. So you just need to press the escape button on your keyboard to see this control menu and get out of full screen. Then what you can do is click on file here at the top left. Okay. And if I scroll down, you'll see this version history. And if I hover over this, I get more options. So what we need to do is click on see version history. Okay. So it's Control plus Alt plus Shift plus H. That is the shortcut. And if I click on this, I'll show you some of the changes that were made. We got rid of this logo. And if we go further back, we can see that I had actually, let's go ahead and get a more detailed look right here, right? And if I click on this one, you'll see the color of the background was actually pink, and now it is back to white. Another way, guys, is depending on your version, you can just click here to see your version history, as you can see, and check it out like this. You have 27 edits made. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.